I'll demonstrate a novel way for you to make money right now where you can get $3 every 30 seconds just by watching video commercial. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. If I ask you to kindly click here first, you are under no need to make any purchases in order to use our website. The adverts on this page can be viewed and clicked by users to generate revenue. As you can see from the example above, the majority of your online activities may thus help you increase your revenue. You can complete offers, refer friends, take surveys, and compete. But I want you to focus on scanning and clicking advertisements. This website now makes all of its rewards available to the public so you can check the whole payout here. Considering that browsing other websites and clicking on advertisements might earn you actual money, this website currently has over 192,000 registered users and has distributed a total of $39,830 and change. Even here, the names of users are listed together with their locations and available payment methods for those who have recently received withdrawals. To cash out your wins, you can choose from a variety of payment methods, including Perfect Money, Payer, AirTM, and Faucet Pay, to mention a few. I will now show you all of the payment proofs. You may have seen that a large number of users have already made payments, and the flags next to their usernames shows that they are from different nations. Here, the entire amount paid is also shown. Anyone can finish this, even those with no prior expertise. I'll also provide you some instances of ways to raise your earning potentials later on. To make your free account, all you have to do is click on this register button. You will then be directed to a screen where you must provide your full name, email address, login, and password. Simply click register after providing your birth month and year and verifying that you are not a robot. When you first log into your account, the leaderboard will be shown. The highest earner will be shown for your viewing. Consider this as an illustration. His username, country of origin, and more than $1,500 in profits are all displayed here. These people who come from different countries can all earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month. They simply perform jobs that you are also capable of performing. You can now see a variety of advertisements when you visit your account, with banner ads being the most common. Any of these banner adverts will open a random website when you click on them. There is no need to register or make a purchase. You only need to view the website for 30 seconds. After visiting the website and clicking on the banner advertising, the majority of people won't take any further action. They just stay on the page without visiting any other pages. Therefore, be careful to avoid doing so, because they won't ultimately profit from such marketing. Consequently, I urge you to browse the site. If you don't, they'll presume you're a robot and won't make any deposits in your account. It is crucial that you navigate the website, scroll up and down, and remain there only briefly after visiting. Simply hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then, in my opinion, make a small movement. After 30 seconds, they will credit money to your account as a result of your ability to show that you are a human and not a robot. Currently, you can just click on another banner ad after finishing one. You can click on any of the banner adverts on this page to start making money. It's called addiclicks.net, by the way. Watching the daily promotional standard micro and exchange advertising is another option to earn money on this website. Spending around 10 seconds viewing these clickable advertisements can earn you money. By using this particular strategy, these people are raising their revenue. For instance, if you click on this advertisement, a random website will be displayed. To demonstrate that you are not a robot, simply scroll around and wait for at least 10 seconds. You'll be paid once the required 10 seconds have passed, and you can keep doing this. I'd like to now provide you an additional tip that hasn't been addressed by anyone else. If you make sure to view at least 5 commercials per day, you can multiply your money by 10. You can access new regular commercials that pay 10 times as much once you've finished the 5 daily advertisements. Now, depending on the type of advertisements you're clicking, the length of time you must wait could be anything from 10 and 30 seconds. Generally speaking, you make more money the longer you wait. You can now choose to make money on this website by watching long-form material like those YouTube films you binge watch every night. if you find watching commercials dull. To access this page, just click Lootably Daily Offers from the Earn Money option at the top of the website. From there, you may review and accept all of the current offers. You can find apps, movies, one-click links, quizzes, surveys, and purchases here. The focus of today's discussion will be on watching videos, though as that is the easiest activity to carry out, and I am aware that the majority of us enjoy binge-watching videos. So simply select videos. When you get to this page, we have a range of video category selections to choose from. As a result, there are videos on this website about cooking, DIY, and other subjects. Simply pick the one you desire. I will be directed to this page, for instance, if I choose food. This website, where you may watch a variety of videos, has some similarities to YouTube. But the only real distinction between the two is that this company will pay us simply for watching movies. As you can see, you must first create a free account in order to continue. After entering your email address and choosing a password, click Sign Up to finish. You'll be sent to this page where you may see all of the food-related videos after creating a Lootably account. You are free to watch as many videos as you like on this website. As an example, if I choose this one, I'll be transferred to another page where I'll have to watch the movie for at least 60 seconds before I can get paid. Watching as many videos on many tabs at once is another way to increase your money. This lets you view a ton of videos while getting other things done. As a consequence, you'll be able to make the most money with the least amount of work. By choosing one of the videos on the right side, you can access further videos. By altering the video settings, you can also lessen the video quality. Set it to the lowest video quality setting to save data. Even after watching an infinite number of 60-second videos, the maximum profit is still possible. These additional tips can be used right away to increase your earnings on this website by a factor of 2, 3, or even 4 in a single day. They are quite beneficial. I'll offer you another interesting fact right now. This is a topic that nobody else is discussing, and it may earn you hundreds of dollars on this website. Once more, the scoreboard displays the highest earners along the total earners. However, over 80% of these profits come from referral commissions. Therefore, you can achieve both being one of these top earners on the leaderboard and achieving the same thing by simply directing others to our page. Please go to dimeforum.com to get there. In this forum, people discuss a wide range of topics related to earning money online. There is a lot of activity on this topic and joining is free. Since a lot of people visit the website to look for free information, which generates a lot of free traffic, many individuals post on this forum. As an example, think about questions: how can I generate money online? On this website, a lot of people can have the same query. You can get that people are asking questions and looking for ways to make money. It's also possible that you'll see that other people have posted their answers to these queries. For instance, you can respond to these particular questions in the space provided if you scroll down below. Entering your 80clicks referral code is now necessary. You only need to keep doing this in order to generate a lot of referrals for dimeforum.com. Simply direct those who are interested to 80clicks.net to understand how to generate money online. If you simply give them your referral code and a link to a website where they might make money online for nothing, they will be grateful for your assistance. They'll learn how to make money and you gain a referral bonus, so everyone wins. Referrals are thus one of the best ways to make money on 80clicks in addition to watching commercials. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.